How to find the link on Monopoly Go. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go and make sure that this one is up to date. Now below here, you can see some options like wins, build, album, and friends. You just have to simply tap friends. And then here, you can see options above, but you can skip to that and go to this part right here where you can see contacts, Facebook, and invite. So tap invite, and you have two options here. You can invite your friends via Facebook, or you can simply tap this invite here and you can invite them. You can share your link to their Instagram, to their Snapchat, to their Viber, to their Discord, to their WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on. So you just have to simply tap this invite and it's up to you how to invite them. You can choose from any of these social media platforms. Also, you can go to contacts, and here you can simply click this add contacts. And what you're going to do here is to enter their mobile number and then tap continue. Then, once they receive that, all they have to do is to click that message, and it will take them directly to their Monopoly Go account. So that's it.
Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.